Welcome back to AI Odyssey Quest. In the heart of Portugal's bustling real estate market, a groundbreaking innovation has emerged. The nation's first artificial intelligence, AI real estate agent, has recently surpassed an astonishing $100 million in sales, marking a transformative moment for the industry. This achievement not only highlights the potential of AI in real estate, but also showcases a shift in how property transactions are conducted, paving the way for a more efficient and accessible market. The AI agent operates on a sophisticated algorithm that synthesizes vast amounts of data, providing clients with insightful analyses of property values, market trends, and personalized recommendations. With its ability to learn and adapt, this virtual agent evaluates thousands of variables in real time, allowing it to forecast prices and identify lucrative investment opportunities. Buyers and sellers benefit from tailored guidance that is often more precise than what traditional agents can offer, making the process smoother and more informed. As it continues to gain traction, this AI-driven approach is reshaping the landscape of real estate transactions. Buyers no longer need to sift through countless listings or spend hours in negotiations. The AI agent streamlines everything, bringing efficiency to the forefront. By analyzing historical sales data, neighborhood trends, and buyer preferences, it provides real-time market insights, automates paperwork, and accelerates closing deals. Additionally, these developments have highlighted the growing importance of technology in real estate, pushing traditional agents to embrace digital tools and rethink their strategies in an increasingly competitive market. This remarkable leap in the use of AI not only improves sales figures, but also enhances customer satisfaction. Clients report feeling more empowered in their decision-making, thanks to the customized insights provided by the AI agent. The seamless integration of technology fosters trust and reliability, crucial factors in the often complex journey of buying or selling property. The AI's 24/7 availability ensures that potential buyers receive instant assistance, while sellers gain real-time updates on market trends, making the overall process more transparent and efficient. The success of this AI agent signals that future real estate transactions could be dominated by technology, forever changing client interactions across the industry. In summary, the emergence of Portugal's first AI real estate agent and its monumental success in surpassing $100 million in sales mark a revolutionary turning point for the sector. It provides a glimpse into a future where technology and human expertise collaboratively reshape the real estate market, making it more adaptable to the demands of today's buyers and sellers. As AI technology continues to evolve, the industry may witness further advancements, including fully autonomous property transactions and AI-driven smart contracts. One can only anticipate the new heights this innovation will reach, setting a global benchmark for AI in real estate. Will AI become our greatest ally or a challenge we must navigate carefully? Join us as we dive into the latest trends, ethical considerations, and the future of AI. Subscribe to AI Odyssey Quest for more cutting-edge AI insights, tech trends, and futuristic innovations. Share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next Odyssey.